Want a laptop, but you're on a budget? Then this video is for you. Hi, I'm your host Robert, and I'll be giving you breakdowns of some budget-friendly laptops. Let's start. ASUS Vivobook Go is going for around $224.99 on Amazon. First up, the ASUS Vivobook Go is great for browsing, streaming, and note-taking. It has an Intel Celeron N4500 processor, 4GB RAM, and 128GB eMMC storage with a 15.6 Full HD display. You also get Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.1, USB-C, fast charging, and a 720p webcam. Ideal for light use but not built for multitasking. Next, the Acer Aspire Go 15 Slim, going for around $283 on Amazon. 15 Slim, a step up with an Intel Core i3 N305 processor, 8GB RAM, and 128GB storage. Smooth performance for light productivity. With Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and a 15.6-inch Full HD screen. This is perfect for everyday use and streaming. Now, HP Pavilion X360, going for around $499 at the time of this video on Amazon. Now, if you want touchscreen versatility, the HP Pavilion X360 is a solid 2-in-1 pick. It packs a 13th Gen Intel Core i3, 8 gigs of RAM, and 256GB SSD. With a 14-inch Full HD display and up to 9 hours of battery. This one's great for students, creatives, and on-the-go multitaskers. Lenovo IdeaPad 1. It's going for around $388 on Amazon. At $388, the Lenovo IdeaPad 1 gives you solid multitasking performance with an AMD Ryzen 5 5500U, 8 gigs of RAM, and 512GB SSD. It features Wi-Fi 6, a 15.6-inch Full HD display, and up to 10 hours of battery. Perfect for daily work and study. Lenovo V15, great for productivity with AMD Ryzen 7000 options, up to 16GB of RAM, and 512GB SSD. With Dolby Audio and a 720p camera, a strong choice for budget-conscious professionals. Acer Aspire 3 A315 is going for around $299. The Acer Aspire 3 brings impressive specs at $299. AMD Ryzen 5 7520U processor, 16 gigs of RAM, and 128GB PCIe SSD. A bright Full HD IPS display, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.1 make it perfect for content and remote work. Lenovo IdeaPad 3i, going for around $443 on Amazon. For $443, the IdeaPad 3i features an 11th Gen Intel Core i3, 12 gigs of RAM, and 256GB SSD. It's great for interactive tasks with a 15.6 Full HD touch display, Dolby Audio, and about 7.5 hours of battery life. Dell Inspiron 15. It's going for around $479. Last but not last, the Dell Inspiron 15. It's the powerhouse here. 12 Gen Intel Core i5 up to 64GB and 1TB SSD. With Wi-Fi 6, touchscreen options, and 9 hours of battery life. It's a fantastic option for serious multitaskers. So, what's your best pick? If you need basics, the ASUS Vivobook Go is unbeatable on price. Need multitasking on a budget? Go for the Acer Aspire Go or Lenovo IdeaPad 1. Versatility and power, check out the HP Pavilion X360 or Dell Inspiron 15. Which one's your favorite? Drop a comment, like this video, and hit that bell so you never miss our tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.